Are you searching for a new Miami residence that offers more than just ocean views and luxury finishes? You want privacy, true exclusivity, a home that feels like your retreat, not a revolving door of transient guests. If you value quality, privacy, and long-term appreciation over trend-driven investments, this video is for you. In a market where short-term rentals are becoming the norm, the most discerning buyers are looking elsewhere, toward the most private, secure, and luxurious new developments in Miami. I'm sharing a review of 4 of the most exclusive coastal mainland Miami pre-construction condos that do not allow daily rentals. These are curated, owner-driven enclaves, offering large floor plans, low unit counts, elevated privacy, and lifestyle experiences designed solely for truly distinctive residential living. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel for expert insight on Miami's evolving luxury condo landscape, and reach out to me or my team if you'd like tailored guidance on your Miami real estate journey. Let's begin in Brickell Key, a name already synonymous with exclusivity. For those seeking true privacy and sophistication in the heart of Miami, the residences at the Mandarin Oriental offer a rare opportunity to own a home that is serene as it is iconic. Developed by Swire Properties, known for their visionary work behind Brickell City Center, this extraordinary project will rise 66 stories on the southernmost tip of Brickell Key, a gated island just minutes from the financial district. Designed by internationally renowned architecture firm Kohn Pedersen Fox, the tower will be home to 228 expansive residences, nearly all of them corner units with sweeping, unobstructed views of Biscayne Bay, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Miami skyline. Every detail within the residences speaks to legacy-level craftsmanship and modern elegance. Interiors by acclaimed Parisian designer Tristan Auer are fully finished and thoughtfully appointed, featuring Italian Molteni kitchens with Gaggenau appliances, Caracata marble countertops, oversized primary suites with custom-fitted closets, and expansive 12-foot deep terraces with wet bars for effortless entertaining. With floor plans ranging from over 2,300 to nearly 7,800 square feet, including 2 extraordinary duplex penthouses with private pools, this is a residence built for those who value volume, privacy, and design that endures. Private foyer entry for each residence, 11-foot ceilings, infrared saunas in select units, private plunge pools, chef's kitchens, and in-suite staff quarters, all delivered with seamless smart home integration. In addition to the guard gate to the island, the residential tower here will have an additional gated access with dedicated 24-hour security. If you haven't seen our video on this beautiful project, check it out. In it, you have a model unit tour that you don't want to miss. For me, what truly sets this island project apart is the rare blend of access and escape. As an owner, you'll enjoy full privileges at the new Mandarin Oriental North American flagship hotel next door. They've already closed the original Mandarin Oriental, and they'll be making way for an exceptional new hotel here. So while your home remains entirely separate with a dedicated residential tower and dedicated residential amenities, you'll be connected and have access to a lushly landscaped private walkway to all of the hotel's amenities as well. Relax in the hotel's award-winning signature spa, enjoy world-class dining, or take advantage of private concierge services, all while retreating to your own tranquil oasis. With private pools, a forested hammock garden, indoor golf simulator, pickleball courts, and a private wine cellar and dining room just for residents, this is luxury redefined, not only as a service, but as a way of life. Next, we move to the bayfront of Brickell, where the St. Regis Residences Miami is bringing its timeless, storied elegance to the city's most prestigious waterfront address with its own private marina, which is exceptionally unique in Brickell. Set on the bay in a stunning Robert A.M. Stern designed tower, 50 stories will be home to 154 residences, a low number given the scale, ensuring a boutique living experience when combined with the signature St. Regis services. The residences include sky villas and penthouses ranging from 1,300 to over 7,000 square feet, and offering 2 to 6 bedroom homes with private foyer access into every unit, double door entries, and expansive terraces to entertain in seclusion. This is not a branded residence with a hotel attached. It's a resident-only St. Regis, focused entirely on your peace and living in excellence. Each residence is its own sanctuary, meticulously crafted not for the moment, but for generations. Come home to a double-door grand entrance which opens to rich European solid wood finishes, smart home integration, and spacious layouts that prioritize both elegance and ease of living. The kitchens, envisioned by Rockwell Group, feature custom Italian cabinetry, stone countertops, and backsplashes, and fully integrated Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. In your primary suite, oversized walk-in closets, midnight bars, spa-style bathrooms with freestanding stone tubs, and of course, your dedicated residential lobby and concierge are available 24/7, ensuring every arrival feels like a return to something rare and exquisitely personal. But remember, this is the St. Regis, so service here will be the best in the world. You have 3 types of signature butler services available as part of the lifestyle experience. Signature services such as grocery shopping, dry cleaning, having a personal chef, housekeeping, and personal errands. St. Regis rituals, like their afternoon tea service, and special occasion planning. Your own residence's butler is your primary point of contact for personalized requests taking place inside your home. And butler closets are available to discreetly receive deliveries without interrupting your daily life. And as an owner, you'll also have exclusive Marriott Bonvoy Elite status and membership benefits. Of the approximate 50,000 square feet of amenity space, there's an on-premises fine dining restaurant by Michelin-starred chef Fabio Trabocchi, private access to the Astor Ballroom, a signature cognac room, wellness sanctuaries, and an immersive bayfront pool deck. You'll get exclusive beach club access too. In Coconut Grove, another boutique branded luxury tower is coming. The Four Seasons Private Residences brings its legendary services to your doorstep to Miami's most historic and lush waterfront enclave. The Four Seasons Coconut Grove will offer just 70 residences across 20 stories, which is really a distinction of Coconut Grove with its low-density zoning. With floor plans starting around 3,200 square feet and going up to more than 6,000 square feet. Developed by Ugo Colombo's CMC Group in partnership with 4 partners, the same team behind the iconic surf club in Surfside, this project is all about quiet sophistication and true residential living. This is a place for those who value privacy, quality, and the feel of a true home, tucked into the lush, walkable charm of Coconut Grove, yet backed by the service and legacy of the Four Seasons name. Residences here offer private elevator access into every residence, ceilings starting at over 10.5 feet, deep terraces, floor-to-ceiling glass, and carefully considered separation between private and entertaining spaces. And interiors feature Italian-designed kitchens and baths, finished in marble and refined materials that speak to a timeless aesthetic. Privacy here is paramount. This is not a branded hotel building with guests coming and going. It is an owner/resident-only branded experience with Four Seasons services woven seamlessly into daily life. Think white glove concierge, personalized wellness programs, and access to a members-only dining club curated just for residents. You'll come home to 24/7 security, valet service, and on-call emergency repair. Choose from a wealth of a la carte services from housekeeping to dog grooming, car washing, and more. Plus, 4 partners will also be providing owners with a surf club private membership, allowing you and your family your own beach retreat in Surfside. The most exclusive and elegant private clubs in Miami, and founded in 1930, the Surf Club boasts 900 linear feet of beachfront serviced by the Four Seasons staff. While you have the finest amenities at home, including a signature restaurant on the first level offering in-residence dining, a service pool deck, premier gym and yoga room, spa with jacuzzi, hammam, cold plunge, aquatherapy, and sensory showers and lounge area, having a membership at the Four Seasons is an exclusive beachfront getaway as well. Members also enjoy the privilege of special offerings, priority reservations for stays at Norman's Cay and the Surf Club, concierge service, access to special events, and other perks. The list goes on and on. Finally, in Edgewater, we find the most boutique new development in our list, the Villa Miami. A collaboration between Major Food Group and Terra Group, this bayfront tower will be an icon of Italian exclusivity, opulence, and indulgence. The villa is not designed for short stays. It's created for those who demand discretion, style, and permanence. There will be no daily rentals here, just a tightly knit group of owners who share a taste for refined, curated living. Featuring a distinctly modern structure with a gemstone glass facade framed by unique bronze beams, the waterfront homes in the sky will be anchored by a helicopter pad above and a picturesque Lake Como-inspired floating pool and private dock below. Limited to only 50 residences in a 55-story iconically designed bayfront tower, that means only 1 or 2 residences per floor. almost unheard of in Miami. Each home spans 2,500 to over 6,000 square feet and includes private elevators, Italian marble kitchens, and primary suites that feel more like hotel penthouses. With interiors by Vicky Charles of Charles & Company, known for her work with the Soho House brand and celebrity clients such as Harry Styles, each magnificent residence will incorporate noble materials throughout, such as travertine marble, Taj Mahal quartzite stone, wood, and porcelain flooring, with complementary materials of brass, lacquer, stainless steel, and fluted glass. Custom chef's kitchens, expertly designed by Chef Mario Carbone himself, will offer top-tier cornufait, Wolf, and Sub-Zero appliances. After entertaining, retire to your spacious primary suite with a cozy lounge area and direct balcony access. Your primary en-suite bathroom will showcase elegant greige onyx porcelain and an oversized soaking tub perfectly positioned for breathtaking water views. Dornbracht and Duravit bathroom fixtures, trim, and custom Italian wood vanities will complete the luxurious ambiance. If you choose to arrive by yacht or helicopter, the villa will welcome you with its private dock or helipad. An on-site estate manager and in-house curator work together to take care of all of your household, personal, and leisure needs, while private chef services, yacht concierge, and owner's lounge with cellar dining and wellness floor complete the experience. Your daily spa experience can include plunge pools, steam room and sauna, chromotherapy, and sensory showers. And Villa's own MFG restaurant, an Italian-inspired culinary experience, will offer bayfront dining and a private dining room. You won't find crowds here, just calm, design, and community rooted in an Italian philosophy of eating and living well. Each of these properties represents the pinnacle of new development in Miami, designed for those who value privacy, space, and exceptional lifestyle experiences. In a city increasingly catering to flexible stay investors, these are the newest sanctuaries in development for those who want something more lasting, more refined, and more personal. If you're exploring Miami's luxury real estate market and want a true luxury residence, we're here to help you navigate the best opportunities with insight and discretion that you deserve. You can explore more about these developments here on our channel at condoblackbook.com, or just reach out to us directly for a private consultation. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into Miami's most exclusive developments. Until next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day.